So this video is an introduction to JiT 5, which is a piece of software that lives in J2E. So after signing into Hub and then clicking J2E, the first thing we need to do is click on this JiT 5 button here. It then opens this up here, which lands straight in the right aspect of this package. So then it gives you some templates, and then if we go along the top here, that happens with every aspect within this software. So that's the right one. The next one's the paint. So again, you've got given you an option of choosing a template or bringing in a picture from your files. And in this one, you can use the paintbrush on the side here, or bring in some pictures that are already stored on J2E. Next along is Turtle. So again, you can choose a template. So this is a coding aspect of J2E. And then you've got the chart, which you can create a chart quite easily there. There's ready-made ones there for you ready, or you can choose a blank one and choose which chart you'd like to use there. This is a nice topic to discuss with the children, which one would be most appropriate for the piece of work that you're working on. Next one along is similar. So you've got a pictogram here, so you can use the ones that you've done already. With one here that they can choose is how they reach school, if it's on a bike, bus, car, or on foot. Again, you can bring some pictures in to use as labels there with a pictogram. The next one along is Animate, so an animating software that you can, again, use a background if you wish to create the animation, and then you can use paint, or you can bring in some ready-made pictures there available on J2E. There's a branching software here, which is the beginning really of databases. So it works in the same way as like a Guess Who game. Does he have brown hair? Yes or no, and then goes down to another option. Does he wear glasses? No, and then you've got the answer. So what happens here is that the children prepare their own questions and answers, and then they could possibly give it to a partner to work on. And then the last one is Mix, so a combination of write and paint, where possibly the children could write some stories. So I'll just go back to write here just to show you what's possible to do within J2E 5, or JiT 5, sorry. So if the first thing they do, they choose a template, say if they've chosen this one here, and they'd start to write here. Come on. There we are. And then nice feature within J2E 5 or JiT 5 is this feature here. If you click on this button here, it will read what you've written.
One day I was walking through.
Okay, so they can check straight away if they've spelt everything right. So this is the beginning really where children are starting to look at editing their own work. So does it look better in grey? Does it look better in pink? They can choose the how big the writing is, the font is, and then they need to as well give it a title. So to save, so they put the title up there, and then they simply press the save button. So it's beginning to teach them a little bit about saving their work. So press the save button, and then that's now automatically saved into their file. If you wanted to create a new piece of work within this, with any one of these along the top here, what we'd need to press is this star button here. And then it asks you then for the template, and then you start off again like that. So there'll be videos following this video showing a bit more about every one of these along the top here.